Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm picking random questions from the higher tier Edexcel May 2018 paper 1. Okay, right guys, this video was recorded on Sunday the 1st of November 2020. Right guys, if you're new to my channel, okay, thank you for clicking on this video. My name's Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I'm also a private tutor for maths and tutor students for all levels. Check out my website, and drop me an email, if you're looking for some support and help with your maths. Okay, I'll put my email in the description below, okay, for you to go and check out. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel, and drop the video a like and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on videos that are coming out. But at the moment guys, I'm doing walkthrough solutions to past papers. Okay, so that is what I'm focusing on now actually. But on my previous videos, I've been making videos for Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, GCSE and AS and A2 level maths and further maths. Okay, but for now, I'm just focusing on making past paper solutions for students that are sitting exams this November, so this month, and then obviously next June as well. So it will be appropriate for exams next year as well. Okay, right guys, so this is the higher tier, okay, Edexcel paper. Right guys, my first advice here is to answer all the questions on all the non-worded questions first. If you're doing higher tier, answer all the non-worded questions first. Okay, that is my biggest advice here for anyone sitting higher tier. And for the foundation tier, focus on the first 2/3 of the paper. Obviously, my overall advice is attempt every question and obviously show your full workings. But my advice, if you're doing higher tier, is to try and focus on all the non-worded questions first, and then look at all the worded questions after. And then for foundation, the prime focus is the first 2/3 of each paper. Okay, obviously attempt all questions, but this is my general advice here for both tiers. Right guys, question number 1 says, work out 2 1/7 plus 1 1/4. Okay, so adding fractions, what I'm going to do is I'll add the whole numbers first. 2 plus 1 is 3, 1/7 plus 1/4. So I have to write it under a common denominator. So 7 times 4 is 28. So it's 4 over 28 plus 7 over 28, which is equal to 11 over 28. So 3 plus 11 over 28 gives me an answer of 3 and 11, 28. Okay, so that is my answer there, guys. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. Part B, okay, so part B is also worth 3 marks. It says work out 1 1/5 divided by 3/4. Well, I've changed that to an improper fraction, so it's 6/5. 5 times 1 is 5, add 1 is 6. 6/5 divided by 3/4. So dividing fractions, I call it the KFC method, which sounds a bit cliche and cheesy, but KFC method, keep, flip, change. Keep the first fraction, flip the second, and then change that to a times. So 6 over 5 times 4 over 5. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 3 is 15. So it's 1 9/15, which simplifies to 1 3/5. Remember that 9/15 here can be cancelled down further by dividing top and bottom by 3. So it's 1 3/5. Okay, right guys, question number 9. Okay, part A says work out 36 to the power of a half. Power of a half, guys, remember, is square root. So square root of 36 is 6. Part B, 23 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is always 1. And then part C is 27 to the minus 2/3. Well, minus 2/3 means 1 over 27 to the 2/3, which is 1 over the cube root of 27, which is 3. And then I square my answer because I raised it to the power of 2. So it's 1 over 9. Okay. Right guys, question 15. Okay, so it says factorize a squared minus b squared. So that's the difference of 2 squares, guys. It's a plus b times a minus b. You can check your answer by expanding the brackets. Part B says hence or otherwise, using your answer from part A, or otherwise simplify this expression here. Okay, so I've put that into that form actually, so that I've called that A and I've called that B. I've got x squared plus 4 plus x squared minus 2 because it's a plus b. Okay, and then I've got x squared plus 4 minus x squared plus 2 because it's minus b. So when I minus this, it becomes minus x squared plus 2. which simplifies to 2x squared plus 2 times 6. Okay, so that would be my answer, or expanding the brackets, I'd get 12x squared plus 12. Okay, so either way would be correct. Okay, so that is my solution, guys, yeah, for the first, random questions, on the Edexcel higher tier paper. Any questions or queries, then put it in the comment section. I hope it made sense, guys. Good luck for your exams, and I hope everything goes well, actually, and I will be here every step of the way, guys. But please do, subscribe to my channel, and drop the video a like, and feel free, to share this around, okay, if you found this useful, okay, and I will see you in my next video. So I'll put a part 2 to this video, for the next video, okay? So I hope it made sense, guys. Sorry if I rushed, actually, but feel free to obviously rewind and watch it. Okay, and then I will, do some more questions shortly, okay? So the next video will also come out today as well, if not tomorrow. Okay, take care, guys, and good luck and all the best.